right now I'm just trying to get him to realize that once all 4 feet are on here, then that's what I want. So I lured him with the treat, and then I gave it to him when all 4 feet were on here. Gator, come. You licked that one out of my hand. That wasn't intentional. Come. Place. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Off. We're going to do this several times. Collar's off. I don't have my remote on him. He wears that constantly. So once he learns the command, I'll condition the collar. Gator, place. Place.